Welcome back, everybody. Today we are finishing up the pegboard painting of Wonder Woman. I'm just going to get right into it here. At this point, I've got 90% probably of the drawing of the painting finished. I'm working on the outlines. I have to say I had a lot of fun making this. It was something that seemed kind of silly. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out with so many holes in the canvas, so to speak, that I was working with. But I was quite impressed with how clear the image ended up being despite that. Now, after this, I think the real question is how is it going to look once I start putting pegs and supplies on it. But I think that's kind of why I made the lower third a graphic rather than part of the more image-based illustration. So I wanted that to be a place where I could put the majority of my supplies without really covering up the image. I'll probably definitely end up putting stuff in the Wonder Woman figure, but the bigger, bulkier stuff is going to go down toward the graphic. Now I'm working on the graphic at this point, taping everything off, which is a technique I've seen a ton of people do, but this is really the first time that I've really tried and gone for this, something like this. Using an X-Acto knife to cut out the edges, to make sure they're nice and clean. Make sure they've got a nice sharp point there. Now right here I'm just going over it with black gesso. Didn't have enough black acrylic paint, so I'm just using black gesso. It's acrylic gesso, which I think is nice. It gives a nice matte finish to it. Some more taping off. This time I'm getting ready to do some white over this. Back at the reference, make sure I get things right. Now a little bit more cutting in with the X-Acto knife. Being careful not to scratch up the paint job that I've already done. Get some nice clean angles. Now it's ready for the white. Real good. I realized that I was gonna, do the lasso in her hand up here. I had completely forgotten about that until just now. So I got my bright yellow in my palette, ready to do that. And I thought I was done, but I had a little difficulty with this point. For some reason the yellow I decided to use just came out really thin and watery. much more than any of the other paint that I've used so far. Even though a lot of it I thinned with linseed oil, so I would have a little bit more time to work with it, since it's acrylic and acrylic dries rather fast. Finally, after over a week of painting, I am finished with the pegboard painting of Wonder Woman, and here it is, the final look.